The first question. Analyze the chords marked 1 to 4, starting from the lowest. F, D, and A flat. F, D, A flat. Okay, here there's also a B flat. Rearranging that will be, rearranging that you get this. This is an A flat major, no modulation yet. Dominant 7th, first, dominant 7th, the lowest is F, so third inversion. So that would be dominant 7th, F is the lowest, and the B, D, F, A flat. So that will be first, second inversion. Second one from the lowest, we have E flat, C. Right in here we have G, but the G flat coming from here, and A natural. Rearranging this, you get A, C, E flat, G flat. This is definitely not in E flat major anymore. We have A natural here, leading to the dominant, which should be B flat major, and this in B flat major should be the diminished 7th. So diminished 7th. The lowest was in this case E flat, so second inversion also. The third chord here, bar 7. We have F, A natural, we have E flat sound in here, E flat. There should be a C here, but it's the fifth of the chord and can be omitted. So looking at the music, there's still an A natural persistent, so we are still in B flat major. So this should be a dominant 7th in the root position. Going to the fourth chord. Fourth chord is in bar 11, starting with the A flat, going to E flat. There's a change of clef over here, so this is F and C. So rearranging, you get F, A flat, C, E flat. Now A flat is back, so, and it's here, from here it becomes persistent. So looking at this in E flat major, this should be chord 2. Yes, this is an E flat major chord. Seems to be chord 2, then 5, then 1B. So bar 1, 2, 3, 4, even as far as bar 5. And bar numbers, bars 1, 2, 4. A suspension in the bass line. So we have a piano piece, so we have the right hand and the left hand. Suspension in the bass line before bar 8. So this was an inner pedal, but over here is bar 4 to 5. We have this prepared suspension, then resolved. So a chromatic passing notes, then a diatonic passing notes, C and D. Chromatic passing note the other time we're looking at if A natural or A flat was persistent. If this is a move to E flat major, then this is a chromatic. That will be part 10. And diatonic, most likely here, these chords were changing quite often. Looking at the beginning, they've been changing more often, and these are arpeggios rising. But at this point, you have so many notes here, so we need to get a chord down here. A flat, A flat, D. Or that could be D, F, A, C. So if the F is there, G should be part of it, so that this is already an accented passing note. This is bar E16. A triple appoggiatura before bar 13, a double appoggiatura before bar 13. Okay, we saw this earlier when we were looking for the passing notes. These are two notes, non-harmonic note falling, so this should be a double appoggiatura in bar 4. 3 notes, non-harmonic, resolving here to 2 notes. Yes, so the answer is surely before bar 13. Next question. Following sentence about the pizza are true. The principal melodic part is always in the top part, the right hand. We'll give this melody in the right hand. Sequence rising here, bar 4 over 8. Now at this point, this is a melody starting here, then being answered here. So the melody was in the left hand at this point. Be false, untrue. There are no harmonic sequence in this piece. Up here, same is here, and that is not the same key as at this point we are in B flat, and now it has gone to E flat major here when we were checking out the chords. So this is a sequence, harmonic sequence. As an answer to 9 to 10. So harmonic sequence. So this is false. There are several modulations. True. First question. The harmonies of beat 2 and 3 of bar 21 and 22 are best described as a diminished 7th over a dominant pedal. So lowest sounding note here is E flat, then to C flat, F A, A flat. That will be A flat due to the key signature, and that's E flat again. Rearranging this is F A C flat E flat. That's surely diminished. Dominant pedal But this is E flat. Are we in A flat major? If we are not in A flat major, then this can be E flat cannot be dominant. It has to be tonic. There's no D flat, and C flat has been removed here, ending the music in E flat. So that will be not true. And about what day do you think this piece was written? Use a better mark, extensive direction of dynamics, almost at each point, how we should sound, how loud or quiet, enough directions, lead towards romantic. So that should be 1866, romantic era. That will be all for this question.